the things that they do know about us, what are the most exciting things that they will share with us when we try to find our ideal prospects?
What can they share? That's been a rapidly changing question. So it used to be they would share with an advertiser, for example, everything and anything. It didn't really matter, right? And then you have these laws and compliance that comes through where, you know, even this, as a simple example, HIPAA in the US, where HIPAA law keeps them from doing medical. And so they can't really share medical stuff because you can't target medical stuff because then it violates HIPAA. And then you have GDPR coming down the pike, and you have California's laws coming down the pike, and more, Google can't really necessarily share with you what they know. But you can go to them, especially if you're going for advertising, any sort of lead generation or something like that, which is where a lot of marketers are using Google. They have the data, they just can't necessarily give it to you. They sort of have to say, well, yeah, we'll share it to people that we think are like that, but they can't give it to you, right? That you can't export that data and use that.